Hi everyone, I am Tabitha Blue, mom to 6, our latest addition being twins, Lennon and Quinn, author, avid coffee drinker, and a little thing you might not know about me, I didn't even like coffee until just a few short years ago, but maybe that's all the kids. I wanted to create a space where we could share it all of the crazy adventures that happen in a big family and things that we're excited about, like home renovation, taking a space to fit all of our family and making our house a home. To travel with the big family, where we eat and play and sleep. And how we tackle meal planning and cooking in the kitchen with kids. You want me to chop it in half?
No, stop real quick. Like this.
Oh, you want me to like chop it like that?
Yeah. Like this.
He wants the really big plate. Wait, what's happening?
Okay.
It's always better with sound effects too. So yes, you're gonna see bits of all of that, even things that excite me, like a healthy home and essential oils. And with all of that, there will be some messy moments too, although the chaotic, messy moments are a little harder to capture just because there aren't enough hands, but sometimes it makes it in there as well. So we had a nasty blowout, but did you know that the little folds on onesie shirts are so that you can unfold it, pull the baby's arm out, and pull the shirt down without bringing all that nasty poop over baby's head. Ew. My passion through it all is to help you find joy in a multi-passionate life, not in spite of all the hats we wear, because I know we're all wearing a lot of hats and juggling a lot of things, but instead help you pursue the things that you truly enjoy, all of the things, just maybe not all at the same time. So cheers, friend, and welcome.